Borongnam Chairman, admitted question number 12.
Boronggonang Chairman, sini Boronggonang MDC ni sumeng, TTADC wo tabak sujara paid voucher worker besuk tong, casual worker besuk tong. Tabak sujara sini ADC wo 53 paid voucher tongo, casual worker hingke 82 tongo. Oma haike PTW, DRW, oma haike total 350 জন মতো total loi tongo casual worker soh paid voucher soh oma haike 350 ni sai kebang tong. Paid voucher 53, casual worker 82. Hambai.
Borongnam Chairman, যদি তোমার casual worker অবহাই যদি তংই তংহানকাই বরফনি বাগै ADC হাপাংনে ওয়ান সুলু তমা তং অবনা কিসা সাজাদি
Belakang hambai. Sini CIO already di discussion kelajak paid voucher, casual worker, part-time worker, DRW romo bahike regularize khaimanai. Boni bagai discussion khainani bagai sini kaisa manpower assessment committee tongo boronggonang deputy CM ni chairmanship bai borok meeting achogoi financial ni workout bo khainai bosu borokno regular khaikhanke te bomahai category no first regular khainai omahai one choi tongo boroni report ma khainke approach sini isi di somna janai hambai.
Honorable members, Sadagar Koli.
Honorable Chairman, admitted question number 13. Boronggonang Chairman, actually related question mo unkha sila ni cooperative department ni Boronggonang Bidut tebol masungoi thangkha TTADC by Naikolja cooperative bedek ni bisingti tabok sujora ADC ni loko hamani samung tama khaijakha chini Boronggonang MDC Sodagar Koloi ni sung number 1 chini kuilao na sai thangha je samung tangja tongmani fair price of 17ta samung khaijak tongo consumer store tongo 13 number nini oma haike time to time seasonal jepro kicha masa ss rang tong hanke hospital logo thangoi tholo dai to kicha bag jago boni chara kono khaimeya kuilao mention khaikha 32 lakh cooperative department ni fund bobu grant in ad borok 18ta lamps no rok khainke paiwi thang boni 2 number question cooperative bedego khorok busu sebo kom bobu kuilao no mention khaikha inke lamps dibomu bosengkha Gonda Tuisha Longtrai Valley Kanchanpur oma haike Ozone ni North Dolai Onokoti o jaga total chini 18ta lamps tongo Ganganagar Gonda Tuisha Gomti lamps Samonu lamps Soilongta lamps Karamsora lamps Dumasora lamps Ambasa lamps Maharani lamps Krishak Kalyan Samiti Anand Bazar Janak Kalyan lamps Chatnala Krishak Mongol lamps Kanchanpur Damsora lamps Jompoi lamps Masmara lamps Pesarthor lamps Belcom lamps Chinibaganor Raskandi lamps Maike 18ta tongo o jaga table jate supplementary sungye yok na jat ang asa khayo cooperative ni no sini board lamps of board unani tongmani जों फाइखेनो board unani tongmani phiaba tabok sujera cooperative department state government ni borok board khainani bagui kono chatioglia sini tabok ni montri tongnai bai malai sakha nini cooperative ni sini 18 lamps tongo daiti board khaini hne aro administrator hne tongjak tongo borok bai ni chalok jagoi tongo je cooperative ni lamps tongmani rokno daiti board khainani bagai barbar sakha phiaba board bognia expiring money already gedungma time to time extend khai tongo 6 months ma hai khlai lai kya hambai